Hey. So, what day is it?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. Okay. So it's Tuesday. So backstory. So I'm about to unbox something. It's terrible. Okay. So on Saturday, we were a couple of days. We were released from lockdown in Melbourne. So we're like, let's go window shopping. Let's be free. And on Saturday, it was our 5-year wedding anniversary. So it was like, oh, let's gift ourselves something for our commitment and accomplishment. Anyways, we went to Chadstone Shopping Centre and we're like, let's go browse the designer stores. And we went to Dior to look at a bag.
5-year wedding anniversary is wood.
Yes, apparently the gift is wood, but meh. Alternatively, according to Google, that you can get flatware or sapphire jewelry. But you know,
we did not look at any of that stuff.
No. So I had been eyeing a bag at Dior. So we went to Dior, and they had the bag, and I had seen it in person, but I glossed over it in the past. Like I never picked it up. And then I saw some reviews online and they're like, oh, okay, maybe I should check it out in person. But so, okay, I got a bag. Spoiler alert. But I actually was eyeing the same size in the blue. But when I saw the blue, the smaller version of the same pattern and everything, it didn't quite intrigue me or excite me. It wasn't as refined in person. But surprisingly, I liked this one instead. So so here's the bag, and here is Adele. She's freaking nosy. Is digging into my bag while I was away. But anyways, here's the bag. And it's massive. Did not expect the bag to be this big. It's beautiful. It's textured Dior. This is the first thing I've ever bought from Dior. They had a really nice ribbon and really well packaged. And I don't want to open it because it's so nice. Maybe I can like skip around this ribbon. That's alright. I'll undo it. But yeah, so I'm gonna unbox this ridiculous gift. Oh yeah, so further to the story, the only one they had at Chadstone was a bit stained, and she said they could order one in, but I didn't want to wait. So on Sunday, we went to the Dior store in Melbourne City, and because they still had one, and I didn't see it on display, so I asked, and turns out she had a brand new one. Woo! So this is what it looks like inside. This is how they package it in the Dior tissue paper folded. This says Dior on it. Ooh! So this is the box. So the item is in the box. Wait, how do I do this? Okay, so there's the top, and there's, I'm guessing this is the receipt. Receipt and a POS receipt. Okay, how do this is so big? Okay, can be strategic. It's quite heavy. I was like, I didn't carry it to the car, and then our boot was full, so I couldn't put it in the boot. We had to put it in the back seat, and then we went to another place to eat. So I was like, oh, we gotta cover this up so it doesn't get stolen. the shiny gold. So this is the box. Okay. So I said yes, and then she went away to the back, and she took forever to come out, and I'm like, did she run out of giant bags or something? Ready? The suspense! So nicely wrapped. Oh, that's a pretty sticker. Clear! Accordion.
Was it on its side this whole time?
Oh, yes. Okay, so this is... I don't know what this is.
Bag for your strap?
Ah, yeah, I think it's a bag for my strap. Because I'm like, wait, the bag's there. It won't fit in here, so...
Your strap has its own dust bag.
Nice.
What is that?
It
Swan?
looks like a swan with a bow and a necklace, of
Ah.
course. Right here. Look, there's wallpaper underneath. Is there anything else in here? Yeah. So it must have taken her a long time to just fold this paper maybe. Let's do the suspenseful thing. Ready? Peekaboo. Hello.
Ooh.
Hello. Christian Dior. Aw, that's cute. Just want to double check. I'm guessing the strap is in here. 'Cause I don't know where else it would be. So that's it. This is, I hope I'm saying it correctly, the Toit de Jouy. And it's grey on like a cream, or cream on grey. So there's a tiger, there's a lion wrestling a serpent apparently, and there's a monkey. So that's the front, side, back is plain, little feet. And I was trying to count the monkeys last time. There's actually quite a few. Okay. What else? Okay, I'll open it. So this is the large Lady Dior, and it's all embroidered. And I was eyeing a blue one on the internet, but they don't have that one in Australia. Then you have this grey one. So this is, there's a strap. Same pattern here. Oh, a bit loose thread. And then Christian Dior Paris. Ooh. So it'll have its own home and its own little dust bag. So the hardware is gold. And then this is stuffing. Alright. Looks like inside. So there's a little slot here and a zip compartment here. You see the feet. Okay, so that's a flap. And then, so this is the Dior Charms. It's got its own little home. Ooh. And it spells Dior. Oh! Oh no, plastic's gone. Lost the plastic.
Now you can't return it.
No. I'll probably tidy that up. But yes, it's like a light gold or champagne hardware. and it's that's it. That's what I got.
How will you use it?
I'm gonna put stuff in it. So I've ordered a organizer to put on the inside, so to provide myself with more structure when I put stuff in and take advantage of the vertical space. That's it. I'm gonna Scotch guard it and I might decorate the handles later. But yeah, so that, wait, the O I think goes behind everything. Oh, the other letters go in front. Oh no, how do I do this? Oh no, the D is backwards. Why is the D backwards?
Because Dior.
Well, it's rounded out, but I gotta check why it's like that. But yeah, Christian Dior Paris. Funny thing is, it's been a few decades, but all bags are made in Italy now. But the brand is from Paris. I don't know what else to do. Oh, okay. Do this. I think this is a, look, it's got gold pages. Lady Dior. This is, I think, the history or stories of how it's made in a million different languages, and I haven't seen English yet. And then, oh, there's an authenticity card in other languages. Maybe a care guide, I think. Okay, nothing else in the box? No other surprises? Nope, that's it? Oh, okay, I'll show you how the strap looks. Here. Whoa, be curly. Oh no. Okay, curl like this on the shoulder. Whoop, third. Like this. Yes, I'm kneeling on the ground, so awkward. But yeah, it doesn't quite work as a crossbody. It's a bit big and short. But it's too, I think it's too big to be a crossbody anyway. Then, oh, I'll just carry it like this. Oh yeah, so with the, I saw like a dark blue and a cream one, and I thought I'd like it, but the contrast was too high. So the stitching was really obvious, and it's not as refined on the embroidery as on like silk prints. So with this, the contrast is lower, so it looks a bit more understated. Like, anniversary gift to myself. Okay, it's a joint gift. Thank you, Harry.
Love you.
Aww.